Let's take a look at this property off of Maple Gap Road. I'm going to use 2005 imagery because you can see the logging roads a little better with this aerial imagery. So let's start over here on Ajo Road. So we're looking at the Blue Ridge Parkway, and this is the town of Ajo, but you're going to get off the parkway on George Hayes Road. Right here, Ajo Road is on the left. George Hayes Road is on the right, or the east. And immediately it turns right onto Sampson Road. So you're going to take Sampson Road here for about 4 miles. Not a bad road to that point. And it's going to make a right here onto Penley Drive. Now Penley Drive, you're going to follow it about 2.7 miles. And you get to this road here, and I think this road might be called Maple Gap Road. But this is not the Maple Gap Road that you're going to want to take. So stay on Penley. So the total of that is around 2.7 miles. And then notice here, Penley sort of goes on, but Maple Gap Road continues straight. So Penley's going to cut to the right. Now, once you get on Maple Gap Road, you're going to go down this way and finally get to where the end of the map is that I sent you. Maple Gap Road continues on down this direction. But you are going to take a right here at the point that I left on the map. And from here, down this logging road, it is about 1/3 of a mile until you come to this piece of property, which is the first of 6 properties that make up this 40-acre tract. So the road continues across 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a home site here on this 5th property. Where's the 6th one? It's around this side. So there is also a little road that cuts down through here and sort of divides these 2 properties. So we have Watson, 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 Watson. So the home site is about 3/4 of a mile. I've got this in red because it's not a marked road, off of Maple Creek Road at this point. Alright, so let's take a look at the lay of the land here. Notice that as you come onto Watson, it happens right at the top of this ridge. And so this would be a beautiful aspect for some views. You control a good view shed down this direction. And if we continue on this little road here, you go over a little bit of a saddle where these 2 properties are. And then there's another home site going up this ridge. So you control the view back that way as well. And then also down this direction. So when it speaks of 300-degree views, it means you see that you can't see up at the top there from this home site, but you can get there from here. And pretty much you can get to a point of the property right here where I've got the pin, where you can see all the way around. So it will be a really nice view potential. It's going to be super expensive to pull power into there, to pull electricity, unless there's some electricity there already. We'll have to take a look and see, but I will tell you that to run electrical lines, Brimco charges about $13 per foot, and to put them underground is about $20 per foot. So if there's not electricity already out there, you're talking about thousands of, probably tens of thousands, to get electricity out here. So so quite a bit. Alright, so let's take a look at these 3 properties one more time. Watson, Watson, Watson. So you get this leg that travels down here all the way down this this river. So this is probably the river views that you saw. And good fishing and stuff. And then going this direction up the saddle and over the ridge. So it makes a bit of a V pointing this direction. In the V, the owner is Kirby, that owns that whole mountain side right there. But these lots by Watson, I think, are pretty nice. You've got one mountaintop, a river, and then another mountaintop on 40 acres. Really nice, but as far as pulling power, very expensive.